5 months.
Yeah, but once I was on the ship, I felt better because there were 28 other hostages, the crew of the ship, and they were great. It's always better to have company when you're a captain.
Yeah, so the other people that were running the ship when they captured it, they were there as well.
Yeah, and that was a crew of 28 guys from East Asia and Southeast Asia.
Did they speak English?
Only 5 of them. So 5 of them were from the Philippines, and we got along with them really good. Everyone else we had to get to know somehow, and the ship, they couldn't speak to each other either because it was like a Tower of Babel on the ship. And so they developed their own pidgin, which is what sailors have done for centuries. It was a pidgin mixture of English and Chinese and a few other words.
Wow.
Yeah, that was fascinating.